Sarah's day. Sarah wakes up at 7 o'clock every morning. She gets out of bed and goes to the bathroom. She brushes her teeth and takes a shower. Then she gets dressed. She puts on a blue shirt and black pants. Sarah eats breakfast in the kitchen. She likes toast with jam and a cup of tea. After breakfast, Sarah walks to school. The school is not far from her house. She arrives at school at 8:30. Sarah has classes until 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Her favorite subject is English. She also likes math and science. After school, Sarah does her homework. Then she plays with her cat, Whiskers. Whiskers is gray and very soft. In the evening, Sarah has dinner with her parents. They talk about their day. Sarah goes to bed at 9:30. She reads a book before sleeping. Sarah likes her daily routine.